Hello friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Creations by Kavita Mardekar. Today we will make this reversible toy. So this is how it looks after filling the rabbit inside the parrot. And we will start with this parrot, and for that we will make first such wings for the parrot. So let's start with wings. But before that we need green color yarn, a very little red color and black color. So I am using here Vardhaman Brilon, and hook size is 3 mm. So let's start with wings. Make 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Wrap the yarn 3 times. Insert the hook in the first chain and pull through 2, 2 and 2. So 4 times, and we have this structure here. Now we have one loop on the hook and make 7 more stitches we need here. And for that, insert the hook like a Tunisian. We will work here and pull through last loop only. Again insert the hook, and here like this we will make total 7 loops, and the first one is here, so we have total 8 loops here. This is the last. So we have total 8 loops, 6 and 7 and 8. Now pull through 2, again 2, just like Tunisian we will pull through 2 loops, and we have 1 loop left on the hook. Now 3 chain and 3 and a single crochet in this first stitch. Here a single crochet. After that, in the next stitch we will again repeat the same action. Pull through 1, insert the hook, again and here this is the last. So in this row we have 7 stitches on the hook. Pull through 2. Every time we will pull through 2, just like our Tunisian stitch, and whenever we reach at the starting point we always make 3 chain and a single crochet in the first. Now insert the hook in the next and pull through 1. Pull through 1. And this is the last. And this time we have 6 loops on the hook. again 3 chain and a single crochet. One, two, three, and 4. So we have 5 stitches on the hook. Make 3 chain and a single crochet in the first, and now repeat the same action, 2 and 3, and we have total 4 loops on the hook. Three and a single crochet, 1 and 2, and we have 3 loops. Pull through 2 and 2. 3 and a single crochet in the first. Insert the hook in the next. We have 2 loops. Pull through both the loops. So here we will make one more 3 chain and single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 3 chain single crochet we have at last here in this, and a single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 3 chain single crochet. Now we will work on this way, this side also, like this, only single crochets. We will make only single crochets in each row or each stitch here, like this, and it will give a little curve to the wing. And in this chain part also we will make a single crochet like this. So because of this row of single crochet, it curves little bit like a wing. So make a chain and keep a long tail like this and cut it like this, a long tail. Thank you. In the next part we will make this body of the parrot.